Hello, uh, very good afternoon. Now we will be discuss the practical problem how to calculation of total income. After 12 steps and after discussion section 80C to section 80U and as per new tax slab section 15 115 BC and how many deduction will be available as per new tax slabs and as per TDS deductions and as per TDS dates of deposits, and after checking the knowledge we are doing now is a practical problem. Calculate the total tax under the fourth regime. Salary 12 lakh 50,000 less standard deduction 50,000 less professional tax 2,400, gross total income 11 lakh 97,600, and deduction as per section 80C 1 lakh 50,000, and it is a total income is 1 lakh 10 lakh 47,600. Now we will do a practical problem solve with the help of the in the tables we have here using the for lines is one column is income, one is amount, one is altruism, and one is new tax regime. It is the possible for here we will be calculation of the first we are writing here some is the big information for calculation for this question. Salary is 12 lakh 50,000, and as per old regime is 12 lakh 50,000. It will be right down here. It no change here 12 and as per new old regime the same salary 12 lakh 50,000 here. And as per information question is standard deduction is 50,000. We'll write down here is the 50,000, and it will be less from salary. Standard deduction is as per both regime and as per new tax laws. Now will be deduction of professional tax is 42,400, and it will be deduct only as per all tax slabs, not deducted as per new tax regime and as per new tax law. Now here we will be calculations deduction after 12 lakh 50,000 minus 50,000 minus 2,400. It will be figure is here is 11 lakh 97,000, and same figure here 11 lakh 97,500. Sorry, 11 lakh 97,000. The same, but here is only change is 12 lakh rupees. Now is less deduction under section 1 lakh 50,000. It will be deduct is a 1 lakh 50,000, 1 lakh 50,000, and 1 lakh 50,000. It will be deducted 1 lakh 50,000 as per all tax slab, and but in new tax slab those I have discussed before in last slides that in new tax slab no deduction in lakh 1 lakh 50,000. It will be deduct again this amount. It will be here is 10 lakh 47,000, and same here is 10 lakh 47,000. Oh, I'm very sorry. Is 600 is by mistake. Is the total mistake is the 600 is 97,000 is a 600. It is very big mistake. Now is figure is 600, and is now is here is 10 not deduction is the 12 lakh. Now is as per income tax act here we will be use is not in use is will be deduction is income tax act is 1 lakh 26,000, 1 lakh 26,000 is 780, and now is 90,000 as per new tax regimes. Here is we will be charged is additional education fees is the 4%. It is the 1,26,600 at the rate 4% is. It will be calculation is 5,000 is 71, and is 90,000 at the rate 4% is the 3,000 is 600, and we will be get new figure is 11 lakh. So here is we will be using here 1,26,780. Now it will be add is 5,071. It will be 1,31,851. Now is here is 90,000 plus 3,600. It means 93,000 is 600. Okay. Now as per we have discussion here. Now an income is 12,000, 50,000 in the example above. The new tax structure offer a significant benefit. It is 38,251. But in the previous system with tax saving, if you are claim additional reduction for health insurance, student loans, NPS, investment housing, loans interest, and so on forth, uh, we are benefit is the old regime. But now we will be discuss is again in one question is we are doing discussing here about the second questions. It is calculate the tax liabilities under both regime in the financial year 2023 and 2024. Here is the some we have information. Salary is 10 lakh rupees, less HRA exemption 70,000, and standard deduction is 50,000, and professional tax is same figure is 2,400. Gross total income is 9,47,600, and deduction ETC 1,50,000, and less deduction ETD 50,000. Total income is it will be 10,47,600. Now we will be do a practice in discussions just as per giving the informations. Here salary will be is the 10 lakh rupees. Is 10 lakh rupees. We will be write down in the old regime and new regime in the old tax slave and new tax slaves. Now is as per given the information is HRA is 70,000, and it will be 70,000. But as per new tax lane, in not exempted in the HRA, it will be at under the deductions of few amounts. And standard deduction is 50,000. It will be deducted as per old regime, as per old tax slab, but it not change, no we can redeem in the new tax slabs, and the professional tax is 2,400. It will be tax exempted in as per old slab, and it not will be tax exempted in the new tax slabs. I'm very sorry, standard deduction will be allowed as per new standard new tax slabs here in this case. And now is gross total income is 9 lakh. Just this information giving the question 9,47,000 is 600, and is 8 lakh 77,000, that is 600, and is new regime it will be add is 9 lakh 50,000. as per new tax law. And section reduction is 1,50,000. Section 80C, it will be exempted in as per all tax slab, but it not will be exempted in new tax slabs. And standard deduction is section 80D. It not will be exempted in new tax slab. It will be exempted only uh, is old regime, and this amount is 50,000, and it will be not now his total income is 2 lakh is 10 lakh 47,000. 47,000 is 600, and here is it will be 6 lakh 77,600, and here is 9 lakh 50,000, and we will be here is the additional surface as per income tax 1961. It will be here as per 6,77,000. It figure will be 48,000. It is the rate of percent is 48,020 rupees, and as per is utilized 52,500, and additional says is equal to 4 percentage. It will be 48,200 is 1921, and 52,500 is equal to at the rate 5% is 2,100, and total tax will be here is 49,000 is 941, and it is 54,000 it is 600. Now will be discuss it after the conclusions. The former tax system benefits an individual earning is 10 lakh rupees with an HRA, and the new regime will be work more favorably against those who take advantage of the tax saving investment if they are claim a smaller deduction for tax saving on investment is non-performing securities like is NPS, health insurance, other items. The new system will also assist people whose income falls between 5 lakh rupees to 15 lakh rupees, who deduction claims are less inconstant by the making investment they save, and tax people might profit before more from the previous systems. It means is the here is the beneficial, it is the old system.